What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JackSportsBreaks.com. Today is Wednesday, February 2nd, 2022. Doing our 2021 Topps Chrome Baseball Update Series. 10 Mega Box Break PYT number 1. There's your 10 boxes, 2 behind there. Who's got who? You got the teams on the top left there for you. Alphabetically, you got Aaron M with the Padres, Bobby L Dodgers, Daniel Y D-backs, Danny V Reds, Adelia L Phillies Cardinals, Jacob R Orioles White Sox, Jeff T Tigers, Jim W Mets, Josh H with the Mariners, Keith G with the Angels, Mark D with the Blue Jays, Mark N with the Red Sox, Giants and Nationals, Mike P last 3 spots, Cubs, Indians, Athletics, Milton A with the Rays and Rangers, Richard F with the Braves, Astros, Marlins, Brewers, Twins, Yankees, Royals, Sean F with the Pirates, and there are absolutely 0 Rockies cards on the checklist, so that team was not sold. If we do happen to somehow the checklist is wrong, we pull like a Rockies base card, I'm just going to give it to a less fortunate team, but anything numbered or autograph wise, I would random off to everybody. But if there's someone just like a loose base card of Charlie Blackwood, I'm just going to give it to a team that didn't do so hot. But yeah, 10 boxes, all card ship, no hit list credit. Sapphire right after this, 3 boxes of Bowman Draft Sapphire, 3 teams left. Links there for you, Marlins, Brewers, Phillies. And let's get going. Put up another one of these on the site. I think I did it yesterday. Breaking that next Wednesday, another 10 boxes, and that'll be the last one of update. So if you like it, that'll definitely be the last one. Alright, here we go. Should be one purple per pack. Yeah, there it is. Not numbered purples, but nice. Taylor Trammell, true rookie for the Mariners. We got refractor of Jose Ramirez, and this card is beat. Mario Feliciano. That is a beat up card. Looks like somebody ran it over. This is a nice Tremolo. Mariners is Josh. Ooh, look at that Kelnick base. You got a Wheeler purple. There you go. You got to run over Feliciano, so they made up to you with the refractor. Had a way to do it. Nice Kelnick. I'm going to sleeve and top load the Kelnicks and the Indias as we go. The base rookies, not the debuts, just to save time. Teo, Tyler Wells, Rugnet Odor, Luis Garcia debut. Says autos are about 1 in every 72 packs, so the odds are in our favor. Hopefully we can sneak 2. Nice Tatis Platinum Series insert for the Padres. Oh, it's the black gold. Nice Khalil Lee for the Mets, and Mookie Betts, Trevor Larnach. Mr. Matz, Kai Tom, Logan Gilbert, Nate Pearson. Nice Joey Bart debut, Jesse Winker, Tariq Skubal. Brian Hayes, rookie debut. Florial, purple rookie debut. Final pack of box 1. Mr. Schmidt, Keibert Ruiz, rookie debut. And this one kind of has that smudge on it. Not as bad as the first card that we had. Box 2. Stevenson. Nice Jonathan India purple. True rookie. Nice Christian Pache, black gold chrome, and Nick Gordon behind that. Very nice. Very, very nice indicator. Danny. Nice. Ryan Weathers. Nice Brian Garcia purple. Brian Reynolds and Luis Patino. Devers. Doles Garcia. Ryan Weathers refractor. Andrew Vaughn. I'll do Andrew Vaughn's too. Andrew Vaughn base. True base. For the White Sox. Chicago Jacob. There you go. First chrome of him. Oh, Kelnick. 2 boxes, 2 rookies. Very nice. Horiona, Adele, rookie debut, and Nate Lowe. Nate Lowe or Lau? I'm never going to get it. Brandon Lowe and Nate Lowe. I'm just not going to remember which one's which ever. Many broadcasts as I watch, and I'm like, okay, it's this one. And the time it's break time, I forget. Nice Sixto Sanchez purple. Wilson Ramos was an Indian? I don't even remember that. I thought he was like a tiger. I thought he was a tiger. That's where he ended up. Interesting. Purple Trammell, rookie debut. We got Ricky Henderson for the A's. Renfroe. Andy Cronenworth. Nice Joey Bart. These are very nice. Black gold chrome. Steven Matz. Dane Dunning for the Rangers. Alec Bohm. Tom O'Hara. Trey Turner. That is Nationals edition still. And Debbie Garcia. Teo, Adames, Francisco Mejia for the Rays, Sam Huff. Box 3. Ooh, gold. Little gold cup. Nice. India. Second purple. The base. We got Debbie Garcia. And the gold. Not a... Oh, it's an auto. Wow. Gold Jonathan India rookie auto. Danny. 44 of 50. What a card. What a card. Holy. This is like... one of like the best cards in this entire product. Holy hell. Jonathan India gold rookie auto. Wow. Wow, wow. The purple right in front of it. Decent break for the Reds so far. 3 boxes in. 2 purples and a gold auto. Woo. All right, we got one auto. Let's see if we can get another one. There's another Brian Garcia purple. Holy hell! Doles Garcia Shohei refractor for the Angels. Madrigal. Hayes, Adele. There's an Andres Jimenez. Schmidt. We got blue coming up. Sixto, a rookie blue. Casey Mize, Tigers. Rookie debut, 199, 191, and 199. Very nice. There you go, Jeff. Very nice. How about this box? Trammell, Willie Mays. Andrew Vaughn debut. Cronenworth, Shohei Topps Black Gold. Perdomo, Dane Dunning, Lindor. Mr. Badu, Teoscar Hernandez refractor, a well-centered Kyle Isbell for the Royal. Pilar, Mejia, and Feliciano's getting trucked in this break. Are all his cards like that? Damn. Alright. Tough to beat that gold. Tough to beat. Mr. Adele, Arenado, Ramirez refractor. Sanchez, Adam Duvall purple. Michael Taylor, Larnick rookie. Johnny Bench, Pearson debut. Chris Rodriguez, nice Yanoa for the Braves rookie. Kershaw and Justin Williams. See, like that last card is offsetted a lot. Specifically the last card. It's so weird. Trammell, Cronenworth, Will, see? And then look how high that is up there. Tariq Skubal. That's just so weird. Dane Dunning, rookie debut Tyler Stevenson, Jesse Winker refractor, Dolbeck. Ooh, X-Fractor. Got Chisholm rookie debut, Weathers, rookie, Estevan Florial, 68/99 for the Yankees, rookie debut. Richard, nice. Very nice. 68/99. Behind that, Vladimir Gutierrez. Mr. Mize. Jose Devers purple for the Marlins. Final pack of box 4. Kelnick purple. Very nice. Jackie Robinson and Snell. Reds are gone in number 2, but I believe the Mariners are still there. If you're looking to go hunting for Kelnick and then have Trammell as a nice consolation prize for the break. Go Trammell. Gilbert too. There's a lot of good rookies in there. Here we go, box 5. Yerman Mercedes. On Arenado. Sleeve of the Yerman purple. White Sox, Jacob. Forgot he was in this. I keep thinking Vaughn. Josh Reddick on the D-backs. Mr. Bell. Nick Matone. That's a nice one. For the Phillies. Fighting Phils. Delia. Chris Rodriguez. Nice Mountcastle debut. Hank Aaron. Andres Jimenez. Dylan Carlson purple rookie debut. It's a nice one. Nice Tatis black gold. Mize. Hayes, Lynch, Kim rookie debut, Leicester. Bichette refractor. Kelnick rookie debut, nice Honeywell for the Rays, purple. India rookie debut, purple, Tyson Miller and Isbell. Final pack and we're halfway. Duval, nice Taylor Trammell purple, Frank Thomas and Feliciano. Alright, keep it moving. There's your final four behind that and halfway. Rookie debut Vaughn, Evan White debut. Vladimir got run over too. Vladimir Gutierrez. Perdomo, Nick Gordon purple for the Twins. Tino, I see that refractor. I'm hoping it's an auto. Freddie Freeman Braves. Got gold again. Yo, don't you? Gold again. So first, Andrew Vaughn, and then your one behind him. Andrew Vaughn purple. We do have an auto that's gold. Are you kidding me? What is happening in this break? What are we doing? 50 Tatis. What the hell? What are we opening here? Some flawless? What in the world? Aaron, what a hit. Fernando Tatis Jr. All-Star Game Padres gold 50 of 50 auto. What in the hell? And then tell you what, you gotta have a key purple rookie, and then you just know it, you're gonna crush it with the card behind it. Holy hell. Nate Lowlow. This is insane. Ramos. Oh my god. 2 autos. Hirokazu Sawamura. Yeah, you know him. You know him. Sawamura. Mark N. Base rookie auto. What is happening? Three autos, 2. Oh my god. India base. Renfro, Ricky, Mountcastle. I did say that India was tough to beat. Manoa. Alec Bohm, rookie debut, purple. Sixto, Debbie. I saw the refractor. I'm like, no way, another auto. Walker Buehler. All right, 4 boxes left. What the hell? We're gonna get a Ronald Acuna Superfractor. Is that what we're gonna get next? Kelnick Super. Brian Hayes purple rookie debut. Unbelievable. Sawamura, Wade Boggs. Martinez. We got a redemption. This is insane. Perdomo, Andrew Vaughn base behind that. I'll sleeve that one. Good luck, guys. This is insane. Due to receive autograph. Oh, it just says autograph up. Trevor Larnach and the Twins. So that's a rookie autograph. Usually they say rookie autograph. Going out to Richard. Man alive. What a break. Mr. Bond. Jonathan India. Garcia, Kilbadoo purple. That's a nice one for the Tigers. Del Pilar, Mariano. Luis Robert. Trammell, Snell, and Bohm. 3 left. Insane break. India base, because why not? Garcia, Peterson, Pujols, Justin Williams. Look at that center. Holy hell. Holy hell. Garcia, Chris Rodriguez, purple, Soto. Is that red? Yo. This is ridiculous. What? 3 of 5 Miguel Cabrera? What in the hell is happening? Jeff, this is an insane card. Holy Jesus. This is one of the most ridiculous breaks I think I've ever done. If you want to see like we did finest flashbacks where we got like 3 autos that were like numbered to 5 and 10 out of 2 boxes or something. This beats it. This is absolutely ridiculous. Miguel Cabrera, 3 of 5 red. Congrats, Jeff. That is a beauty. That is a beauty. What in the hell? Casey Mize, Kevin Gausman refractor. This is ridiculous. Trammell, Daniel Lynch. There's a Larnach with paper on him. You wanted some paper. So yeah, you're gonna get it. It says autograph, but it's a rookie auto on the redemption. Gilberto Celestino, purple. Kelnick, rookie debut, purple. Kim and Dahlbeck. Final pack of box 8. Jonathan India rookie debut purple. Man. Nice one. 2 left. Aaron's catching up. Aaron, are you live now? This break is absurd. If he's not live, he's got a lot more ahead of him. Got Yerman, purple, Carlos Rodon, and Nick Gordon. Give me the purple Yerman. Good purples though too. A lot of key guys. Yep. Congrats, man. That's a beauty. Badu, Reddick. Unbelievable card. What a hit. Nick Matone. And there's a Vaughn. A little off center. Looks a little off to the left. Matone and Vaughn. India base. Mountcastle, Kirby Puckett. Hitting a lot of base cards of India. Got Ryan Garcia, Carlson, rookie debut, Arenado. Got orange. I don't even know what to say at this point. Like, these are loose boxes. This isn't from a case. How the hell do you get these kind of odds from just random boxes? It's an auto. Oh my, what is happening? What is this? 25 of 25 Juan Soto. What? Official, the most ridiculous break I've ever done. Official. It was borderline with the finest flashbacks. This beats it. This is insane. Mark, what a hit. Juan Soto orange, 25 of 25. Did we? Awesome, man. This is insane. Pache, Posey, speechless. Just speechless. Brent Honeywell. A little bow on the bone. This is ridiculous. I keep saying it. Trammell purple and Acuna. Platinum players. 1 box left. I'm so sad. I'm so sad it's ending. Because this was unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is speechless. Jorge Ona, Brian Hayes, black gold. That's a nice one. Yerman Mercedes base. And Draft Sapphire up next, guys. Both debuts. Rookie debuts of Kelnick in India. Tyler Wells purple. Brad Hand, Freddie Freeman, Nick Matone base rookie. This is Mark. What is this? What do you got? You got the Blue Jays. Is Vladdy's coming up next? Vladdy's coming up next. Wouldn't even be surprised at this point. Benintendi, debut Carlson. Tyone, Willie Mays, Kim debut. Mats, we got Javier Baez, Chrome. We got 3 packs left. Devers, Kai Tom purple, Brent Honeywell. You're guaranteed nothing. It says the odds of autos are, for like the base autos, are 1 in 72 packs, which is just over 7 boxes. There's a Kelnick base. Bueller. But I think I saw somebody like did the odds of like all the other kinds of autos you can get, and it's like 1 in 5 boxes you get an auto. So realistically, we should have got 2 autos with those odds. But we got 4 and we got 5, and 4 are absolutely ridiculous. Final pack. Willie Adames. Ooh, that box stunk. Alright guys, give me a minute here. Hit recap for you like always. Absolutely ridiculous break. Unbelievable. That's the number. Only 2 numbered parallels. How do I even order the autos? How do you order this? How do you even order this? Well, Larnach goes on to... Oh, no. Oh, my God. We got 6 autos. I forgot about the Red Sox. Oh, my God. I guess I just got to go by number at that point. This is ridiculous. Here we go, guys. Hit recap. 2021 Topps Chrome Update Series 10 mega box break. Pick your team. Number 1. Number 2 is on the site for next week. Gonna be tough to beat. That's all I'm gonna say. It's gonna be pretty tough to beat. Here's the recap. This is ridiculous. So just base rookies of top 3 guys. Vaughn. We had 3 Vaughns. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 Indias, and we had 1, 2, 3 Kelnicks. So purple, not numbered rookies. We had 2 Taylor Trammels, 3. 2 Yerman Mercedes, 1 Badu, 2 Nick Matones, 1 Vaughn, 1 rookie debut of India, and then 2 base of India. 1 rookie debut Kelnick and 1 base Kelnick. 2 numbered parallels, X-Fractor, 68 and 99 rookie debut, Estevan Florial for the Yankees, and then blue rookie debut for the Tigers, Casey Mize 191 out of 199. And now 6 autos in 10 boxes. Leading off, Trevor Larnach, redemption for the Minnesota Twins. Red Sox, Hirokazu Sawamiura. Nailed it. Going out to the Red Sox. And now we go through Murderer's Row here. Gold rookie auto, Jonathan India. 44 of 50 going out to the Cincinnati Reds. Danny V and the Cincinnati Reds. One of the top cards, top rookies to get in this entire product. This is a great hit. Behind that, who's this guy? Any good? All-Star Game Fernando Tatis Gold. 50 of 50. Going out to the San Diego Padres. And my man Aaron. Bam. Who's this guy? Is this guy any good? Juan Soto. Orange. Going out to Mark N. and the Nationals. 25 of 25. And last, but certainly not least, is this guy any good? He's not a future Hall of Famer, is he? Detroit Tigers going out to Jeff T. Miguel Cabrera, 3 of 5 auto. Could we just take a minute? And just realize what happened here? Could we just take a minute? In 10 mega boxes of retail? This is insane. Absolutely insane. That's going to do it for the break, guys. Thank you for joining. This was one of the funnest breaks I've ever done. Of course, it comes from retail, right? Like I said, number 2 on the site, doing that next week. And Sapphire is up next. I think there's 3 teams left. I put the link there. I just got to double check, see if we moved any of those 3 yet. But hopefully after I move these cards into the other room, we have chipped away at those. But thanks, guys.